So publishing takes on two forms in Canvas. So first, you have to publish your course. It will not show up for students if you don't publish your course. So right here on the home page, I just click over and I click the publish, and it will publish my course. So now students can access anything that I have set for them to be able to see. So when I go to modules, I can work ahead and develop stuff. So if you notice, I've already put in our cycle stuff, different things. But if you notice, it's all gray. So a green check means that the student will be able to see that. So when you look at this key page, you'll be able to see this title, but there'll be nothing under it until I click these circles over here. So then once I do that, it's published and student can see it. Now, if you upload files, so I want to show you just a heads up about that because I learned this the hard way where I used to upload my answer keys and I would keep them unpublished in modules, but students found they could go to files and still find them. So even if I unpublish this file, I have the option to just completely unpublish it or only make it available to students with a link, or I can set student availability. So what this does is it allows me to say, okay, they can't access it until Thursday at 10:30 once class starts. So that's kind of a nice feature in that if you want to get everything loaded for the week, but you don't want students to have access to it immediately. Um, so that's what's going on there. Also with files, if I go over here and I remove a file from a module, it is still over here in files. So if you want to completely delete a file from your page, make sure that you go to files and delete it as well. But that is the ins and outs of publishing.